YouTube. Today is Friday, October 16th. I did a video yesterday, but I've been having trouble with Final Cut Pro. It's not sharing on your YouTube channel, or it's not even sharing on what is it called, default kind of hard drive. It just shut it completely down. So I did a a time machine backup, and I did it way back a year because this thing's been driving me crazy. But I thought it was just going to delete the backup on my external hard drive, but it deleted the entire hard drive. So everything on the Seagate hard drive, the 4 terabyte hard drive, everything's gone. All my YouTube videos, which is no problem, but I just lost everything I did yesterday too. So I went for a ride, and I've been noticing my gas mileage on this Goldwing is not very good lately. I don't know if it was maybe because it was windy out yesterday or what it is, but I only get like 28 miles per gallon. So I didn't like that. I don't know. I get that sometimes when it's really windy or if I get bad gas. But I went ahead and ordered another air filter and 6 new spark plugs. So I'm going to give it a tune-up. Air filter's a booger. If you ever done one on a Goldwing, you got to disassemble everything, the whole top shelf down to the frame. It takes the first time I did it, it took me 8 hours. Second time and the third time I did it only took me 3 hours to get it all taken apart and back together. So I'm going to do that one of these days. I filled up and see what kind of mileage I get. Maybe I'll get good, I don't know. But I saw when I ordered them last time it was 2019, so it's only been like maybe a little over a year since I put the new air filter in it. So we'll do it again, because I should be getting like 37 to, I'm going to head right into the sun, 37 to 40 that I usually get on this. So anyway, I want to turn this off just because I'm heading in the sun. Bye.